Tired of confusing tutorials? Welcome to How to Simple Guide to Wear. We cut the fluff and show you exactly what to do step by step fast. From tech hacks to everyday fixes, if you want quick answers that actually work, you just found your channel. Hit that subscribe button now so you never waste time figuring things out the hard way again.